In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable proxy or VPN in Google Chrome. This process is straightforward and can be particularly helpful if you're experiencing issues with accessing certain websites or services, or if you simply need to pause the VPN or proxy functionality for a little while. To begin, you'll want to have Google Chrome open on your device. Once you've launched the browser, direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll notice a small icon composed of 3 vertical dots. This icon acts as your gateway to more settings and options within Chrome. Go ahead and click on this menu icon. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, you will find a variety of settings that you can adjust to personalize and manage your browsing experience. Among these is the Settings option. Click on it to proceed further into Chrome's interface, where you'll have more control over browser behavior. Once you are in the Settings menu, look towards the left side of your screen. You'll notice a vertical menu that contains multiple sections, each covering different aspects of the browser settings. What you'll need to focus on is the section titled Extensions. Click on Extensions to view a list of all the installed extensions in your browser. Extensions in Chrome are small programs that add new features to your browser. They can perform a wide variety of tasks, from blocking ads to adding styles to web pages. However, when you want to disable a specific functionality, such as a VPN, this is the section you want to access. In the Extensions menu, you'll now see all the extensions installed in your Chrome browser. Scroll through this list and find the VPN extension. Once located, you'll see a small toggle switch associated with this VPN. This switch is used to enable or disable the extension. To disable the VPN, simply click on this switch to move it to the off position. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the VPN extension in Google Chrome. If you need to re-enable it later, you can simply return to this same menu and toggle the switch back to the on position. Disabling the VPN can help resolve connectivity issues or allow you to access local content as required. Whether you're troubleshooting or simply need a temporary change, you now have the tools to manage your proxy and VPN settings with ease. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Disabling an extension in Chrome is always reversible, giving you the flexibility to adjust your browsing experience as needed. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Happy browsing!